We have 100 available that we would be able to spare.
I'll take it.
Okay, perfect. So if you want to swing by our location, do you know which one we are?
You're on Stacy Road, right?
We're on, yes. Well, not on 70, not by 75, but
Stacy and Custer. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And I can pick those up today?
Yes, you can pick those up today.
Perfect.
Before 4:45 if you can make it.
I'll be there.
We have to get him out.
I'll be there. I'm right up the road, so.
Oh, perfect. We'll see you in a little bit then.
Perfect.
What was your name?
Brett.
All right, Brett. We'll see you here.
Okay, see you soon.
Bye-bye.
Hello. I'm here to pay a traffic ticket.
Okay, can I get your driver's license, please?
Sir, it's $212.
And you take exact change?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Let me run out to the truck. I'll be right back.
Okay, I'm going to be grabbing your file.
Perfect. You're in luck. I found exact change. Y'all can mail me the receipt too. Just mail me the receipt. You got my address. Peace out.
Yes, Mr. Sanders, this is Matthew, Frisco Municipal Court. I was calling to see, you actually have change coming back to you. I was calling to see when you wanted to pick up your change. If you can, just give me a call back. The number is 972-292-5560, and I can make sure I have it ready for you in the safe, and when you're ready to pick it up, I can give you your change. All right, sir? You have a nice day. Bye-bye.
Keep the change, you filthy animal.
It's crazy.
Oh boy.
You wanna wait and
Wow.
Jeez, what happened?
Guess someone paid their fine.
Are you kidding me?
You can go to his YouTube channel.
Somebody paid their fine this way? How much money is it?
Wow.